Convergence is an idea that's an emerging idea in science and technology. And the notion is that we have conventional stovepipes, physics, chemistry, biology, sociology, but they typically work alone. And there are classes of problems that are appearing which increasingly require that they work together. And convergence is the idea of bringing together different disciplines to work in a cooperative and ideally seamless way on the same problem. It has the potential for increasing the power of individual fields by bringing cooperativity.
Converging technology is going to require converging people, which is people are going to have to work together. Multiple disciplines are involved: the nanotechnology, the biology, the physics, cognitive science, neuroscience, social science, computer vision, computer science. A lot of us are experts in one domain. Well, we are going to have to come together to create this new technology, this new bridge. The barrier here are basically you need to create those institutions. You need to create an ecology where people are going to be put together and work on a kind of integrated science of the mind, and this require possibly institutions or centers or funding mechanism where people are excited. They are together to work on a specific product or project.
You know, when you think of convergence, it's important to help, I think, describe that by way of example. You know, and there are many examples that are in our lives today that were derived from convergence, and we perhaps didn't realize it. Things that are state-of-the-art in medicine today, how imaging can allow us to look inside of our body in non-invasive ways. It was really a derivative of people in the physics world teaching us how to use some of the tools that they were expert in to look inside the body in non-destructive ways.
Converging technologies give the opportunity to do an amazing set of things in the years ahead, dealing with sustainability for communities and potentially for households, for energy, food, transportation. Those are all things which could be significant. In addition, energy, self-sufficiency, you know, that either through hydrogen or through solar and better storage or other means that are in the zone of the emerging converging technologies, that could be really significant, both in terms of how sustainable we are and lowering our carbon footprint and living more effectively.
I think the whole point of interdisciplinary collaboration is that the different parties or collaborators bring something relatively unique to the table. It's not that everyone has to become an expert in everything, right? So I think you want to preserve that depth and knowledge of a particular domain, but allow those experts to collaborate in a productive manner.
The challenge is that there are so many scientific things that have been brought together that really have not been looked at enough. And we don't have a track record of many preparatory scientific results that will point us in exactly the right direction. So we have to break new ground ourselves and figure out what is the best way to go. There's not a lot of guidance that has gone on before us.
In some respect, there's this race between solving our problems and our inability to solve our problems because of institutional issues and the promise of technology. I wish technology didn't have, in my mind, such an importance to help solve our problems, but it does seem as though that's one avenue to get through our problems. So converging technology is essential to that. You know, there's a lot more than just nano, bio, and information technologies, but you know, appropriate use of technology, imagining new combinations of technologies in systems for the home and the community, and industrial ecosystem, I think is key to getting through climate change and energy, peak energy and peak coal and all of these issues that we're dealing with.